Beneath Antarctica's frozen waters, a pirate empire waits untouched.
Recovery here demands engineering precision against relentless ice.
300 meters below, the hull remains intact.
To reach history, we must melt. We must melt through Antarctica itself.
Access is achieved, but the ocean is waiting.
4 divers will descend where no one has before.
Clean descent. No heroics.
One mistake beneath the ice could end the mission.
The descent begins into Antarctica's frozen abyss. The first meters are calm, deceptively calm. Beyond this point, only artificial light survives. The ocean resists their presence. The pressure builds with every meter.
Even the ceiling above them is unstable.
Now they enter the true abyss. The descent is no longer passive, it's contested. There it is, the impossible survivor. 3 centuries, and the hull still stands. They've reached the grave of a pirate empire. Now the real risk begins. The entrance is sealed by centuries of collapse. One wrong shift could fracture the hull.
Force must be applied, but never rushed.
The grave opens.
The preservation defies expectation. "300 years, and still untouched."
The ship is waking under stress. One collapse could seal them inside.
They stabilize the impossible. The vault was meant to outlast everything.
They must lift the past before it collapses.
They prepare to lift 3 centuries of weight.
The balance must be perfect, or the hull will split.
History resists being moved. The seabed itself begins to give way.
Hold load. Maintain tension.
They are lifting a structure never meant to rise again. With the hull supported, they return to the vault.
The captain's secrets finally give way.
The fortune exceeds every projection. The ship begins to fail under its own history.
Proceed. Slow and steady.
There is no turning back now.
The first Fortune begins its return to daylight. Every kilogram must rise without shifting the hull. The ship breaks free from its grave. One cable begins to reach its limit.
Reduce 10%. Redistribute.
Precision prevents catastrophe. For the first time in 3 centuries, it floats. They rise together, ship and divers.
The narrowest margin of the mission.
One scrape could fracture the ice corridor.
History meets daylight. They have brought the impossible to the surface.
The warship stands in Antarctic air once more.
The lift is complete, but verification begins.
The first vault chest reaches open air.
The Fortune proves the legend was real.
1.9 billion. Confirmed.
A Fortune lost to ice, now recovered. Some histories refuse to disappear. Beneath the ice, more secrets still remain.